Hey there, my name is Anand, and in this video, we'll understand why AI agents are really so important purely from a non-technical perspective. Okay, so we'll not look at any code. We'll look at in general, why AI agents are so important and why we should pay attention to them. So let's understand this with a simple example. Imagine I want to go to Paris and I want to book the flight tickets and hotel rooms in Paris, sitting in my home. The problem is I don't know how to do all of that. So let's say I have four options in front of me. Option number one, I can call the travel agent. Let's understand what happens there. Option number two, I can book everything by myself by using tools like booking.com or Make My Trip. Option number three, I can probably ask a chat GPT and I'll say, these are my requirements, just suggest me something. Option number four, AI agents. How can AI agents solve this problem? So let's go in depth. In the first option, let's say I call a travel agent, let's say Thomas and Cook, and I'm going to explain them that I want to travel to Paris. So most likely they're going to ask me a few questions. How many people are coming with me? What is my budget? What are my food preferences? And what are the places that I would like to visit? And all of that. And finally, the person sitting on Thomas Cook's side is going to make me a detailed plan. And finally, once I confirm, he's going to book my tickets. So I'll just give a very high level requirements and I have my tickets ready. The problem is if I would have spoken to the second person in Thomas and Cook, probably my output would have been different. My plan would have been slightly different because the person sitting on that side, he has to interpret what I'm saying and then he has to act on it. So because we have multiple people, we can't expect a consistent quality. So in the second case, if I have to book the tickets myself, I open makemytrip.com and I'm going to first understand the tool. Probably it's going to take me a solid couple of hours to understand the tool, understand different flight options, understand different places and the budgets, and then I'll have to play around for going to 5 days and I have to go to spot 1, 2, 3. Now this is the cost, this is a hotel, this is per night cost. I'll have to go through all of that manually. It's going to take me solid couple of hours, but finally I can have the tickets booked. So in the second case, my inputs are not high level. My inputs have to be very precise. I'll have to specifically select that I want to go to place 1, place 3, place 5. If I just randomly say I want to go place 1, 3, 5, it is not going to, the tool is not going to understand. So my inputs are very structured and my output is finally I have the tickets ready. So let's take the third case, ChatGPT or any LLM, what we call large language model. The common examples of LLMs are, I think you know, Gemini and Llama, DeepSeek, ChatGPT, all of this. So if I just go and ask ChatGPT, make a nice plan, suggest me nice hotels and everything, most likely it will do, and it's going to do a better job than any human probably, right? The only catch, it's actually not booking the tickets. It's actually not booking my hotels, right? So my input is going to be very vague and high level, but the good thing about ChatGPT is I need not give it a structured input. I'll just throw my emotion at a high level. The ChatGPT is automatically going to understand it, and it's going to give me at max a good recommendations list. Day 1 do this, day 2 do this, but it's actually not booking my tickets. Now let's go one step above. Let's go to the fourth case, the AI agent. So AI agent is ChatGPT running on steroids. What it means is, imagine if ChatGPT has the ability to go directly book the tickets. Now that's an AI agent. So AI agent can be thought of in a way as the ChatGPT as a model, the brain, plus the software layer which enables the model to perform a real world task. What it means is, it will first ask me all the questions like how a ChatGPT would do. It will come up with a plan, and finally the plan is directly executed with the help of a software integrations. So these software integrations, think of them like plugins connected with the brain, is an AI agent, and that has got amazing potential. So in the fourth case, my inputs are going to be very high level. I'll just throw random bits of emotions here and there. I like this food, I like to do shopping and all. Then it will remember and say, okay, because you like shopping, I think you should go to street number 5. Because you like Indian food, you should go to street number 2. It's going to analyze everything, and finally it's going to actually make a integration. It's actually going to trigger the integration and finally create the tickets. So in all practical purposes, we can assume an AI agent is almost like a smart human, a human who can understand us, who can cross question us and get better clarity of what we are trying to say, and finally he can plan and then he can implement that plan. This is exactly what a smart human does. That's why we can call AI agents are also smart humans in a way. So the point is, pretty much I think every AI agents can touch every industry. The question is only about, probably in the case of healthcare, it might take a little long for us to adapt or adopt the systems. But fundamentally, because it's almost like a virtual human, the AI agents can pretty much affect every industry in a positive way. So I hope this video gave you enough clarity. So in the next video, if you guys are interested, I can talk about how to build an actual AI agent purely from a non-technical perspective. And once again, thanks for watching this video and take care. Bye.